Hey everybody, welcome to my college move-in vlog. This is a little bit of a different video on my channel, but I just wanted to do something to kind of, I don't know, something different. And I thought this was a great opportunity to start, branching out, vlogging, and just kind of showing you a little more about me. And yeah, I think it'll be really fun. I'm going to the University of Florida as a business major, not a math major. I know that may surprise some of you, but I really enjoy business, and we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so I'm going to document this entire journey for you guys, and it's going to be really fun, so I hope you enjoy the video. So, I just left my parents. It's pretty sad. We cried a couple times, we said our goodbyes, and yeah, they kind of just left. And it's so surreal, it's so different. I kind of feel empty. And I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna get used to this, but right now it's just kind of sad. But hopefully, there are a bunch of events here, and so hopefully I can get like preoccupied with that. And then my roommate's coming a little later, so we'll hang out and do stuff. But yeah, so that's where we are right now, and yeah, I'll catch you later. Okay, so this is my bed here. My mom made this for me. Really nice. We got it from like the university website or whatever. I didn't really have any decorations to put here. I had some plushies. This is something from graduation, and then this is just some little thing we got a couple years ago. It's cute. If it actually, okay. Okay, so then what we have here is something I got from Kennedy Space Center, which you can see. Be greater than average. They love to sell this, and I was like, hey, listen, I like this kind of stuff, so, and then here I have my shoes, my chair. This chair isn't actually bad. It's kind of short, but it's fine, it works. My computer's set up there, my lamp, my phone charger, which I have to figure out. And then here is my water bottle, a picture of me, if you're interested. It's one of my senior pictures. And then I have my ramen ready, Swiffer, just other stuff in there. That box is empty. It's just, it was what all the bed stuff came in. My backpack's there, drawstring bag right under it, all my clothes, pretty much all my like toiletries and personal stuff, just additional like extra stuff, bicycle helmet, business suit because I'm a business major, and then yeah, so then we can look in here. Here I just have random extra stuff that doesn't really belong anywhere else. Here. So, in there is all my electrical stuff, so all cords and adhesives, which isn't electrical, but other stuff, and then just extra random stuff. Down here I have like games and like my speaker, headphones, microphone, and yeah, just games there. So then we walk on over back here. Here I just have some gift cards and my just face mask if I need it, and then my wallet. Just other stuff there. Here I have some clothes. Here I have more clothes and hats and swimwear and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, and then my roommate's side is over there. Just gonna briefly show that. But yeah, so here's my view. Not really that great. Kind of dirty windows, which I'm not a fan of. Can't really get all the way to the window, but I have a nice view of the parking lot, or whatever that is. It's interesting. So, we'll see how this goes. I'm really excited. Like I said, my roommate comes later today, and then once that happens, we'll see what happens from there. So yeah, I will see you guys whenever I continue. But it's the end of the first day. I'm about to go to bed. My roommate didn't actually come today. He's gonna come tomorrow morning. I didn't really do too much today anyway. I did some exploring, not a whole lot, but I'll continue that tomorrow, and I'll try to take you guys on that if I have time. So yeah, I'll just keep taking you guys on the journey, and let's get straight into day 2. Hey, what's up guys? Oh, focus, there we go. Today's day 2. I already got groceries this morning. I kind of forgot to do like a good morning thing, but yeah, we got groceries. My roommate came back, and yeah, we'll see what happens the rest of the day. Hey guys, so not much really happened today. It was raining a lot for a lot of the day, so I couldn't really go out and explore and all that. I did go to the student union to hang out for a little bit. Not too much exciting there to film, but it was really fun. I got some groceries today, so now I have some milk and cheese and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll probably update you tomorrow. Do some exploring then. And then the day after is when I start my first day of class.
Good choice. Good choice.
Pushing me around, gonna stand my ground.
Hey everybody, it is October 22nd. I'm making this about 2 months after all the move-in and everything. Mainly because I've just been really busy. I mean, like, there's been a lot of eventful things that have happened. I'm gonna try to include that throughout the vlog. But it's kind of hard to like film and vlog and all that, at least for me because this is my first time. So, um, yeah, so I didn't really do any vlogging stuff since like the second day. And so yeah, I think I'm gonna now that I have a little bit of free time this weekend, I will be able to actually finish this video and actually edit everything, put it together. We'll see how it goes. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please just let me know because I really want to try to experiment with other kinds of videos. This is one of them, and so I just wanted to see like how you guys reacted to this and if you like this video, this type of video, and if you want to see more like vlogs and stuff like that. I can definitely try to make more. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!